Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. Today we have hashtag cathysowinghappiness, and it's our drawing today, later in the video. And we're going to go ahead and make some junk journal tags. And this is week number 8. We're actually going to have 2 drawings because our winner from last week did not contact me. So I'm going to draw again from last week and a drawing from this week. So there'll be 2 winners tonight. All right, so I have some paper here from Tim Holtz, and I cut it in a rectangle, and I backed it with some coffee dyed paper. Then I got this Deco Art Dazzling Metallics, and this is champagne gold, and it was about $2.50 at Joann's. I'm going to just put a little bit on my glass mat here, and I'm going to take my paintbrush and I'm just going to apply it all over this tag, just like that, just all over this tag. It really gives it a beautiful, beautiful shimmer. Can you see that? It is so pretty. But you can still see all the writing through it. I just absolutely love it. I went ahead and I put a little shimmer on the butterfly, and I put a little shimmer on the fussy cutted flower right here on the top. So I'm going to clean this up and I'll show you my next step. I am going to set this one aside, and I'm going to bring in one that I had worked on earlier, and I put the same coloration on the top, and then I sewed around the outside with some black thread, and it's also backed. I have a oblong here, an oval, and I cut it out of coffee dyed paper, and then I used my stamp with all the signatures, the words on it, in black. I stamped that in black, and I believe I'd like to put that about right there. I fussy cut my flowers, and I put that gold on here as well. And I think I'm just going to offset it. So let's go ahead and get this down here and start making our tags and putting them together. I was at the farmer's market today, so I am taping this, recording it on Saturday night, because in the morning my granddaughter and her dad are going to come over, and we're going to finish planting all the tomatoes, and I won't have time to do a video and get it up in time for, having the video be on Sunday, which is our day that we do our little drawing. So I am getting this done. I sold out today, so I was very thankful for that, and the market went very well. It was a lovely day, and lots of people came. It's just so much fun for me to see everybody, and I just love it. I just love being out there with everyone. These are some little pieces of bling, and I am going to go ahead and cut this. Hopefully I get that backing off without much problem. These are pale, pale pink. I'm going to have to put this on hold. All right, well, the reason why I couldn't get it off is because I didn't expect it to be clear backing, but it was totally clear. So there, isn't that pretty? Oh, I think that's beautiful. Let's make another one real quick. We have one right here. We have some bulbs, some spring bulb flowers here. And we have another card that's backed. So let's go ahead and get our oval down first. If you get all your pieces together first and then combine them, it goes very quickly. And the part that it's not hard, but the part that takes the longest is getting your things fussy cutted and getting things stamped and painting the cards. But once you get all those steps done, then it just goes together just so quickly. And you could make quite a few of these. They would be beautiful in a botanical journal. Just beautiful. There we are. Now let's go ahead and get our little bling on there. Put it right in the middle of our butterfly. Just like that. Oh my goodness, isn't that pretty? I just think that's so attractive. I have another one here. It was extremely hot here today. I don't know how the weather is where everyone else is, but oh my goodness, the sun is so hot. I had to put a shade cloth on the tomatoes that are waiting to be planted in the ground because it's just too hot for them, and they need to be in the ground. So I had to put a shade cloth on them to keep them alive, basically. So they have to go on the ground tomorrow. But we have help. Daddy's coming to help tomorrow, so that will be awesome. Because I'm afraid the ground is really, really hard now. And I'm going to have a really hard time. I would have a really hard time with the shovel. So to plant them. All right, there's another one. Oh my goodness, I love these. I'm going to go ahead and this is the one we painted earlier. I'm going to ink around the edge with some gathered twigs, and then I am going to take it to the sewing machine and I'm going to quickly stitch around the outside. Okay, I've got that stitched, and now we can go ahead and put our oval down. This one reminds me of, could go into a bee journal. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the color. I'm not sure, but it kind of looks like a bee journal to me. This down. There we go, just like that. And the butterflies next. And then a little piece of bling. Come on off of there. Oh my goodness, you guys. I think these are very, very attractive. Oh, so pretty. Okay, guys, let's have our drawing. Let me wipe this up just super duper quick here. Oh, it's kind of dirty. Grab it. Here's the fishbowl. Now this is from, let me look at my notes. This is a redraw from week number 6, okay? So here's a redraw, and the winner is Maybelline B. That is the winner. I forgot to do my shout out. Oh, that's okay. We're having 2 drawings. It will be fine. I am going to go ahead and take this so I know that Maybelline is the winner for the redraw. And we take this out. Let's put the new people in for the new drawing. It's actually a new color. Let's stir it up. Now this is for last week, so it's week number 7. So let's see who wins. Okay, here we go. It's S.G. Jensen. You won. You said you wanted to win. You won. That's so funny. Okay, guys, now listen. You're going to have to send me an email, and down below here, this video, you will see the instructions on how to do that. If you want to enter into this drawing, all you have to do is an act of kindness, and in the comments of this video, tell me just a short little thing about what your act of kindness was, leaving out any names, and I'll get you into the drawing. And what do you get if you win? You get happy mail from me. So it will not be tracked. It will just be placed right into the mailbox at the post office, and they will deliver it to you. And it will just be my way of paying it forward. Oh, you guys, I've had great fun. So Maybelline B and S.G. Jensen, you've won. Okay, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye-bye.